am Varshitha from Visakhapatnam. I've completed my graduation in Vivian Institute of Engineering for Women in the stream of IT. I've joined in Jspiders in the month of November. I've taken courses like Java, which is done by Pawan sir, and and Web Technology by Reshma ma'am, and SQL by Revan sir. And I'm currently ongoing with React.js by Shivanand sir and Advanced Java by Ravi sir. I've given so many mocks which improved my fearness in the interviews, and also I've given so many presentations which improved my communication skills. And also I've attended so many grooming sessions conducted by Yuvashri ma'am, which helped me a lot to place in the company.